site down. In 60 seconds, we'll diagnose Hostinger's server errors and fix them fast. First, confirm the outage by checking your Hostinger hPanel and domain status now. Open a terminal and run curl yoursite.com to capture the HTTP response code quickly. Check Hostinger's status page for platform incidents before troubleshooting your site specifically. Open your error logs and scan for recent 5xx errors, PHP fatals, or memory spike timestamps. If you see service errors, prepare to restart services from hPanel or collect logs for support. Fix 1. Restart services or reboot the instance from hPanel to clear transient faults. If you have SSH, run systemtool restart phpfpm or systemtool restart Jinx to reload web services. Fix 2. Disable recent plugins or modules and clear any cache. Many 500 errors come from plugins. Also check PHP settings. Increase memory_limit or switch PHP version in hPanel and retest the site. Fix 3. Restore a recent backup or roll back your deployment if the issue started after a change. If the site is still down, gather timestamps and error logs and contact Hostinger support with details.